Hi, I'm very privileged to introduce to our new version 2 of single cell BMS algorithm development kit. This is an improvement of our previous generation single cell BMS development kit. As a part of this, we have now introduced the board with a variety of functions, also everything packaged in a single board with many of the features and functionalities. Let me give you a quick overview of this complete board. As a part of this board, we have now given you two options that you can play with, either NMC cell or LFP cell. So if you are developing an algorithm for an NMC cell, we can just switch between these two cell options and then make a choice of the algorithm that you deploy for this whole board. Then we have the options of temperature sensors. We have the two temperature sensing options, which is present here. So you're able to read the data of the temperature of the cell. Now, we also have the option of current sensing through the shunt-based current sensing approaches. We also have the voltage sensing that is directly fed to the ADC of the microcontroller. So hence we have covered our voltage sensing, current sensing, and the temperature sensing, and the way to switch between two cells. For the function of the charging, so we have the option to charge the LFP cell only till 3.6 volts. So that you can configure with the help of these DPI switches. So if you choose a specific configuration, so you can charge it till about 3.6 volts. If you do another configuration, you can do it till about 4 volts or 4.15 or 4.2 volt. Henceforth, if you're playing with a specific chemistry, or if you want to limit the charging to a specific voltage, you can do that with the help of these components. Also, for the purpose of the charging current, we have the DPI switch where we have the configuration of the charging. So where you can control the amount of current the charging IC will send to the cell. So this way, the whole section is comprehensively put across this. Then we have a load here. With the help of this load, we can switch between the components, apply the load and discharge the cell. And then this whole board works on an NXP S32K114 series. So it's an industry-grade microcontroller, which is a big improvement from the Arduino microcontroller platforms which we had in the past. We also have an option to showcase you the LED symbols, so where you could get to see what faults has been incurred as a part of this whole section. We can dump the code from the MATLAB and Simulink directly to the onboard debugger. Also, we can use components such as Seger through a JTAG.